In today's video, we shall discuss about the numericals of concave mirror. Solving numericals is an important part of learning physics. To solve the numerical, we have a stepwise approach, mathematical treatment to be used, and the interpretation of the result. So now we shall see how we go about solving a numerical by taking two examples. The first is the radius of curvature of concave mirror is 26 centimeters. What is the focal length? Now we are talking about concave mirror whose radius of curvature is 26. We have seen that a concave mirror has got a negative radii of curvature and negative focal length. Reason being the center lies on the left hand side of the mirror. Thus, in the given we write r is equals to minus 26 centimeters. The formula that we will use here is r is equals to 2f, which gives us focal length is equals to half of the radius. So, we put minus 26 by 2 and we get the answer as minus 13 centimeter. Thus, we see focal length of the concave mirror is 13 centimeter. When we write the value, we have to put the sign, that is negative. Next numerical, an object of size 5 cm is placed at 10 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find the position, nature and size of the image. Three data are given over here, so we shall write them first. It's a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm, so we write f is equals to minus 15 cm. The object is placed at 10 centimeters. Object distance is to be taken as negative because we are measuring distance in the left hand side of the mirror. So we write u is equals to minus 10 centimeters. The height of the object is given as 5 because we place the object above the principal axis. Hence we write h is equals to 5 centimeters. Now we will see and calculate the value of v, that is image distance, h dash, that is the height of the image, and the nature of the image. The formula that we use here is the mirror formula, that is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon f. We substitute the values from the given along with the proper sign. So it is 1 upon minus 10 plus 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon minus 15. Putting the correct sign is very important here. Solving this using any mathematical method which you feel is easy, you will get the answer. Here I have used the method of LCM to simplify and I got the value of v is equals to 30 centimeters. The sign of the value is very important. Here I have got v as a positive value of 30 centimeter. The positive sign says that the image is formed on the right hand side of the mirror. That means it is formed behind the mirror. This is important and we shall keep a note of it. Now to find h dash, we will use the formula for magnification, that is m is equals to h dash by h, which is also written as minus v by u. Substituting the values, we have h dash upon 5 is equals to minus 30 upon minus 10. So h dash is equals to 15 centimeters. Here the value of h dash is also positive, which means that the image formed is above the principal axis. Now from the value that we have got earlier, v was positive, h dash is also positive, which means we have got a virtual and erect and magnified image formed behind the mirror. This is how we interpret looking at the value and looking at the sign of the value that we get after solving the numerical. I repeat, the value of v being positive implies that the image is formed on the right side, that is behind the mirror. It is virtual and erect. Here h dash is positive, which means it is erect and 15 centimeters height. The object was 5 centimeters, the image is 15 centimeters, which means that the image is magnified. Thus, our final answer is a virtual, erect and magnified image of size 15 centimeter is formed at 30 centimeters behind the mirror. This is how we solve numericals. Numerical always needs practice. So, to practice more numerical, you may visit my website www.rupaliday.com. Thank you and happy learning.